Patricia, and welcome to the show, Patricia. Today we have a very special guest. She is a reality TV star. No, unfortunately it's not Kim Kardashian. Yes, I know, but at least I'm here. Please give a warm welcome to Samantha from the reality show, Samantha!
How many times do I have to say that I'm Samantha, not Samantha?
I'm sorry. Samantha. Samantha.
No, not man, man.
Oh, like in Yaman.
Well, yeah, if that helps you.
Okay, Samanyamanta.
Oh my god, without it, Samantha.
Samara.
Oh my, that's not even, what? Samantha.
Magenta.
Oh my god, like where the hell am I?
In my show.
Well, it's a bad show if you don't even know how to pronounce my name.
Well, I saw your latest episode and you don't know how to pronounce Yaroslava.
And you can? I don't think that was right.
You don't think, but you don't know.
This is ridiculous.
Wait. Sit down, please. We will talk about you now.
Okay, since this is my favorite topic.
Okay. How come you decided to have a reality show? I mean, it's a big decision, right?
Yeah, it is. Well, one day I was just, living, and so I wondered to myself, like, why wouldn't I film all this, Like, talking to my friends and family, powdering my boobs.
So who is your role model?
Like, all the females surrounding me, Actually, all the women. Like, we are so strong, we should totally empower each other.
So like Kim Kardashian is your role model too, right?
No.
Well, you said in one of your old interviews that she is.
Well, that was a long time ago, and I was young and stupid.
It was 9 months ago.
Listen, are you a feminist?
Yes, I do whatever Beyonce tells me to do.
Okay, so you understand that when a certain woman puts you down, like you don't have to respect her.
I'm sorry. I was literally imagining Kim putting her hand on your head and like putting you down. Wait, it's kind of sexual. So why would Kim put you down?
Well, she wants to be the only reality star.
I don't think she knows you exist.
She doesn't know you exist.
No, you.
No, you.
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 So who are you currently empowering and who is empowering you?
Well, I have this Spanish friend called Maria, and she's like teaching me all the Spanish words, like yo soy embarazada, and like I am teaching her about fashion, like you shouldn't wear Crocs and stuff like that. So like one time...
So when are we going to see some action? Like when are you bringing a man in the house?
Aren't we talking about empowering women?
So have you thought about plastic surgery?
Oh, excuse me?
Well, you're pretty skinny. I mean, your views are not as big because your butt is not that big. That was so clever. We need to write this down. Producer, write this shit down. Thank you.
I don't think...
Fuck the skinny bitches. Fuck the skinny bitches in the club.
Okay, what the hell? I mean, we literally have the same figure. You're a skinny bitch too.
I look nothing like you.
Okay, I should say that. I mean, you are beneath me. Like, you are on the floor. Like, not even on the floor, like, even lower. Like, in hell, okay?
Yeah, I'm in hell because I'm so hot. I mean, look at my butt. My butt is bigger than yours.
High-waisted jeans do that to your butt, okay? Look at my legs. They're longer than yours.
My back is longer than yours.
My boobs are bigger than yours. At least the left one.
My head is bigger than yours.
My nails are longer than yours.
My toenails are longer than yours. Let me show you. Oh my god!